Hello guys, and welcome back. So as you can see, my towers are already on, and I will have to take all this cladding off, and then I will apply the external wall insulation after I see what exactly is happening at the back, because maybe it will need more attention. So onto this video, we are just going to take this cladding off, and hopefully we are going to solve the problem underneath it. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just start, because the weather is not that great. So yeah, we don't want to lose any time. So let's go. Alright, so the top bit is just plastic, then here on the bottom we have the tiles, and we are just going to start from the top going down. Now I don't know exactly what's going on here. Looks like timber, maybe is asbestos, and definitely we are not going to touch that. But there is a small hole here, and I believe that is timber, so we are going to take even that one off. Should be ply. We'll see. First, I'm just going to start to take off this one. So I meant to take just the cladding off, but this is part of the structure, and I'm going to take it off also because it's rotten. So I'm not going to leave that there. So that needs replacement. So, and hopefully we are not going to find too much of that. Now, apply that one. I have taken it down, even if I didn't have to, actually, because I could have just applied my external wall insulation on it, but I had to take it down because it is too thin. So we are going to use like a 18 mil OSB board, or at least a 11 or 12 mil OSB board. Now I'm really hoping to install an 18 mil board right here, because it's going to make it a lot stronger, but then we don't want to come too much out with the insulation, so I have to be quite careful on the thickness. So alright, let's carry on. All right, small bit. It's a slowish process, but yeah, it's not that bad. They are not going off. It's not very difficult to take them off. Now probably we'll need to take even this membrane off, because we need to reach into the cavity, and probably we are just going to put some mineral wool. Hello. We're just going to put some mineral wool inside here. So yeah, everything it will need to go off. So we are just going to put now the camera quickly on a time lapse, because this is going to take a while. So yeah, as you could see, they are even building a porch right here, which it will need a little bit of love, caring and attention. And probably I'm going to do some of it, like the plastering, maybe the door, which at the moment the door that we have is quite small and the walls needs more building up, so we'll see how we are going to do that. But meanwhile, we'll need to carry on with the cladding. Now that is quite thick insulation. Wow. I think somebody lost the Oyster card inside the walls. Alright guys, all done, nice and clean, and we are ready for the next stage. Right now just going to clean, take all the mess from here, and then we will need to put some insulation in, some mineral wool like it was before, but this time a little bit thicker, and then apply the OSB on top. So stick with me, see you in just one moment. So alright guys, we started to put some mineral wool inside. We are exchanging this old one with 100 mil one. Probably this one is like a 30 mil, and we are changing with 100 mil. We have some of them there, and meanwhile I'm going to start to prepare the OSB, doing all my cuts, because today all this we have in plan to finish it and start to prepare for the external wall insulation. We decided to go with I believe it's a 11 mil, 12.5, but I believe this one, no, it's 11 mil. That is going to be more than enough, because before wasn't any. Actually in some places it was this one, which is about, I believe, 6 mil or something. And yeah, I will do right now my cuts and start from the bottom up. So let's do this. Okay, so our first cut now is done. We have this nice setup right here, the best that I ever had, and the bottom side is already done. The only problem is I will need to reinforce it a little bit, because I don't have any timber on that side for the OSB to sit on, and even here I will need a small bit. Anyway, I'm going to quickly prepare that. And for who didn't notice, today I have some help. Finally, he's my brother. He came to give me a hand, because I'm a little bit afraid about the weather. I want to be as fast as possible with this one. I don't want to have the house open all this time, a long time, so I'm trying to finish it as quickly as possible. So alright, let's carry on. Now it's a little bit better. We still need to put it up there, but it's alright. Start to look like it should. Alright guys, all done for now. We even put the rail, that is the starter rail for the external wall insulation. Now it's all done. Everything is covered, and now we just have to put on the EPS board. So we have to start to do that, but that is going to be for my next episode. So if you want to see how how all this is going to be finished, subscribe, put on the notification bell, so for the next time when my next video is going to be on, you can actually see the finish on this house. So yeah, I'm quite happy. Probably I will have to do some works on the porch, but at the moment, here we go. So at this point, don't forget to squeeze that like button, and see you on the next one.